Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively. We'll dive into proven methods that can transform your learning experience. Discover how active recall helps solidify information in your mind, making it easier to remember. Learn about spaced repetition, a powerful technique for long-term retention. Plus, we'll explore the Pomodoro technique to boost your focus and productivity during study sessions. Get ready to unlock your full academic potential. Active recall is like exercising your memory muscles. Instead of passively rereading, actively retrieve information from your brain. Try flashcards or practice questions without peeking at answers. Combine this with spaced repetition, where you revisit material at gradually longer intervals. For instance, review a topic after 1 day, then 3 days, then 7 days. This powerful duo significantly enhances long-term memory and understanding, making your knowledge stick. The Pomodoro technique is a fantastic way to manage your study time and maintain high focus. It involves working intensely for 25 minutes, followed by a short 5-minute break. After completing 4 such cycles, you then take a longer break, typically lasting between 15 and 30 minutes. This structured approach helps prevent burnout, keeps your mind fresh, and significantly improves your ability to concentrate on challenging tasks for extended periods. Beyond techniques, your environment and well-being play a crucial role. Establish a dedicated study space free from distractions, ensuring it's comfortable and well lit. Before you begin, set clear, achievable goals for each session, perhaps aiming to complete 2 chapters or solve 10 practice problems. Remember, adequate sleep, around 7 to 9 hours nightly, and nutritious food are vital for optimal brain function, allowing you to absorb and retain information more effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.